Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add background music on a video in Canva. So first open your Canva project and go to the upload section. Here you will see the upload files option. Once you click on that, here you have to go on downloads and you will see that there are list of songs available that you have downloaded. So you just have to select it and click on the open button. Now it will directly upload it to your Canva audio library. Now you just have to drag it and drop into the timeline. Adjust the audio according to the video length and click on the play button to preview it at once. Make sure everything looks good and the sound are perfect. Then click on the share button to download it and your video will now include both background music and visuals. And that's it. That's how it is easy to add background music and on a video and Canva. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.